Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix show desktop icon missing in Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Next is we need to proceed with the best match and there you can see system and it's called settings. Click on open to continue. By the way, you can also use the keys which are by pressing Windows and I key together, you would be able to see the settings window itself. Now here, we need to proceed at the left side of the screen where you can see a list of options. Now, you need to use the search toolbar here and search for taskbar. The moment you have typed it, there you can see a first result which is taskbar settings. Simply tap on it and afterwards you need to scroll down and look for taskbar behaviors which contains taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Now click on this down arrow key and here you can see a list of the options where here you need to scroll down and look for select the far corner of the desktop to show the desktop. Okay. So the reason why you face an error or you have an error is that you have accidentally or mistakenly or you have turned it off. And in order to show the desktop icon in your taskbar, you need to mark it checked. And once done, close the window and check if it's showing this time. So navigate here and there you can see the show desktop icon this time. Okay. So that's it. You can also do a right click here, aligning the taskbar key. Please do a right click here, go with taskbar settings. There you would be able to open a new window, which is your taskbar, similar to what we have just accessed earlier or a while ago. Click on the down arrow, sorry, and proceed with this option. Check the net and close the window. And there you have it. You can now check the show desktop icon here aligning the taskbar. Okay, so that's how easy actually to show desktop icon which is missing in your Windows or computer. Now, if you think your this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.